Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Ever heard of dropshipping and thought, this is it, my ticket to financial freedom? Or maybe you've seen those flashy ads promising millions overnight and wondered, is this too good to be true? Well, today, we're diving deep into the truth about dropshipping in 2025. Is it still the golden opportunity it once was, or has the ship sailed? Spoiler alert, it's not dead, but it's definitely not what it used to be. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether dropshipping is right for you, what it takes to succeed, and how to avoid the common pitfalls that trip up most beginners. Oh, and if you're serious about starting your own business, I'll show you how learnbusiness.org can help you every step of the way. Let's get started. First things first, what is dropshipping? Imagine this, you set up an online store, but instead of stocking products in your garage or your mom's basement, you partner with a supplier. When a customer places an order, you forward it to the supplier, who ships it directly to them. You never touch the product, and you only pay for it after you've made a sale. Sounds like a dream, right? Low startup costs, no inventory headaches, and the freedom to work from anywhere. But here's the catch. While it's easy to start, it's not so easy to succeed. Let's break it down. Let's start with the good stuff. Why is dropshipping still appealing in 2025? Low startup costs. You don't need to buy inventory up front. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a Shopify store. Flexibility. You can run your business from anywhere in the world, whether you're chilling on a beach or binge-watching Netflix in your pajamas. Wide product range. You can sell almost anything without worrying about storage. From fitness gear to pet products, the world is your oyster. But before you start planning your early retirement, let's talk about the challenges, because, trust me, there are plenty. Here's the reality check: competition. The market is saturated. Everyone and their grandma is trying to start a dropshipping store, which means standing out is harder than ever. Thin profit margins. With so many sellers, prices are often driven down. You might end up making just a few dollars per sale, if you're lucky. Shipping issues. Long delivery times can lead to unhappy customers. Imagine waiting 3 weeks for a product that was supposed to arrive in 5 days. Not fun. So, is dropshipping dead? Not exactly, but it's definitely evolved. Let's talk about how you can succeed in this new landscape. If you want to succeed in dropshipping in 2025, here's what you need to do: find a niche. Don't try to sell everything. Focus on a specific audience, like eco-friendly products for millennials or premium pet gear. The more specific, the better. Build a brand. Customers don't trust random online stores. They trust brands. Invest in a professional logo, a clean website design, and a compelling story. Focus on customer experience. Fast shipping and great service are non-negotiable. If you can't compete with Amazon on speed, compete on quality and personalization. Leverage social media. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are goldmines for driving traffic. Create engaging content, run targeted ads, and build a community around your brand. And if you're wondering how to implement these strategies, learnbusiness.org has a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's talk about real-life examples. Take Sarah, for instance. She started a niche store selling eco-friendly products and built a loyal customer base through Instagram. She didn't just sell products, she built a brand around sustainability and community. Or John, who focused on premium pet products. He used TikTok ads to drive traffic and created funny, relatable content that went viral. The key? They didn't just rely on ads, they built a connection with their audience. If you want to learn more about their strategies, check out the case studies on learnbusiness.org. They're packed with actionable tips and insights. So, is dropshipping still worth it in 2025? The answer is, it depends. If you're willing to put in the work, find a niche, and build a brand, then yes, it can still be a profitable business model. But if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, this isn't it. The truth is, dropshipping is a tool, not a magic wand. It's up to you to use it wisely. And if you're ready to take the plunge, learnbusiness.org is here to help you every step of the way with guides, templates, and tools to make your journey easier. So, there you have it, the truth about dropshipping in 2025. It's not dead, but it's definitely not easy. If you're ready to take the plunge, start by finding a niche, building a brand, and focusing on customer experience. And remember, learnbusiness.org is here to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Business channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.